So we're on the fourth hole at NCR Country Club, and one of the things that we really focused on with this golf hole was something that I have been practicing my entire career in my time with Force Design, and what I learned from Ron is this idea of restoration of design intent. And what does that mean? Well, this golf course was built and opened in 1954, and obviously since then, member expectations, player abilities, equipment, all of these things have evolved, but yet this golf course did not. And the more important thing about this master plan was this is not a reimagination of a golf course or a complete renovation and start over. We needed to keep the bones of this golf course, those things that the members were very familiar with. So how does that tie into restoration design intent? Well, we need to start looking at how people are playing the golf hole now versus 1954, and what can we do to maintain the integrity of the historic aspects of the golf course while also modernizing it. So on the fourth hole, we added some length by adding tees. By adding length, we were able to allow for longer hitters to be challenged more, but also the hole originally had 2 bunkers on the right side, which were in many ways not even a factor for longer hitters. But the ground allowed us the opportunity to add a 3rd bunker further away from the tee that could challenge those players. Now, with any challenge and strategic design, sometimes width is a good thing. The left side of this fairway was in much further than it is now, and we had some trees on the outside left. So by adding and restoring the width, we get proper playing angles. Play close to the bunkers, the green opens up to you. Play away, you've got a hillside over here, you might have an awkward lie, and you have a bunker at the green that now you have to negotiate. That, in essence, is the restoration of design intent. It's as Wilson intended you to play this golf hole, but yet now meeting modern expectations. Another example of restoration design intent is here on the 13th green, where we did a massive expansion. We've done it elsewhere on the golf course, but what it did here is we've recaptured a whole location that hasn't been seen in, 30, 40, 45 years. And that really brings in a strong dynamic, not just on the 13th hole, but across the entire golf course. When you restore these whole locations, you're starting to bring the perimeter hazards, fall-offs, roll-offs, all of these things back into play. When people finish restoration and renovation projects, oftentimes there's a big focus on the bunkers. Personally, for me as an architect, I get the greatest joy out of doing these green expansions.